everyone, it's me, Kimono mom. Sorry I'm not wearing kimono today, but I'm Moe. Today's video is like a cooking focus. We're gonna make Japanese breakfast, lunch, dinner with the only ingredients at Sprouts Market. Do you have Sprouts Market near you? We just launched our 3 flavors of umami sauce, original, yuzu, spicy one. If you watch this video, you can learn 10 recipes. Hope you enjoy this video as if you were here with a family.
何食べたいご飯？日本食。オムライス。オムライス？ Okay. So, can I get 2 salmon steak? Chicken thigh, boneless, skinless. I get this daiko. Cutter. Oh, and here, Sprouts has all new flavors here. I'm gonna get 3 of them. Spicy, original, yuzu. It's all gone. 売り切れ sold out. Thank you so much for your support. It's sushi first. Can I get ready? This is very popular in Japan.
Okay, let's go. 行きましょう。
Thank you, Sucha. Sucha, 力も。Sucha, it was very heavy, right? So heavy. Thank you. Good. Thank you.
Good morning. Let's make a Japanese breakfast together. First, rice. Nothing beats freshly cooked rice. I'm using short grain rice today, but medium grain works too. 2 cups of rice. Pour in plenty of water, gently swallow and drain right away. Dry rice absorbs water quickly. This helps remove any dust on the surface. Gently rub it about 30 times. This helps release excess starch. Change the water 2 or 3 times, then add the same amount of filtered water as the rice. Let it soak for about 15 minutes. Next, salmon hoireyaki. This is a classic Japanese salmon dish. It looks fancy but very easy. Pat the salmon dry, then season it lightly with salt. Let it rest for about 10 minutes. This removes excess moisture and any odor. For vegetable, seasonal ones are best. Mushroom pair perfectly well with salmon. Place mushroom on foil, add 1 piece of salmon, 10 grams of butter, 1 tablespoon of umami yuzu, and ground black pepper, and wrap with foil. And bake at 355 for 15 minutes. Nanohana no karashiae. Nanohana is a spring vegetable in Japan. I never expected to find it here. It has a slightly bitterness and elegant taste. Wash well, then boil it plenty of water. Start with the stems. After 30 seconds, add the leaves. Boil another 30 seconds. Cool in a colander. Gently squeeze out of water and cut into thumb-length pieces. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon mustard. Japanese mustard is traditional, but Dijon mustard works well too. And 1 tablespoon umami sauce. Mix, then gently dress the nanohana. Next, chawanmushi. It sounds difficult, but it's actually very simple. Remember this ratio: 1 egg to 3 parts liquid. This never fails. 1 egg is about 60 grams. Add 1 tablespoon umami sauce, 15 grams. 165 gram water. Mix gently. Prepare the fillings. Pat shrimp dry. Cut chicken into bite-sized pieces and season lightly with salt. Place the fillings in cups. Pour in the egg mixture and place the shrimp on top. It looks prettier that way. Cover each cup with foil. Place the steamer over the water you used for nanohana. Once it boils, add the cups. Steam gently on low heat for 30 minutes, keeping a soft, steady steam. Time to plate. To create a classic Japanese breakfast, serve everything in small dishes, one portion per person. Rice is best placed at the front left. It's both beautiful and easy to eat. Chopsticks go at the very front. Placed horizontally, they mark the quiet boundary between the meal and me. For lunch, spicy chicken and garlic rice. Quick, ready in just 15 minutes. Season chicken thigh with salt, pepper, and flour. Sliced garlic tsundi and also minced salmon. Heat olive oil and slowly fry the sliced garlic until crispy. Set the garlic and oil aside. Cook the chicken until golden on both sides. Wipe off excess oil, then drizzle umami spicy sauce. Lower the heat and let it simmer gently. Turn the thickened sauce over the chicken. For garlic rice, heat the minced garlic, add the cooked rice and mix well. Season with salt and pepper. Add 1.5 tablespoon umami sauce, crispy garlic, and chopped green onions. Mix well and it's done. For a quick side, toss and leftover nanohana with mayonnaise and umami yuzu. Let's bring this to Moto while he's working. ランチです。
うわー、めっちゃ好き。
ガーリックライスとチキンちょっと辛いかも。どうだろう。ご飯は辛くないよ。
はい、最高。
パパの部屋やったらパパもやって出したいか。
最高。美味しい？スパイスありがとうございます。
ガーリックライス超美味しい。
ガーリックライス美味しいよね。Dinner time. Finally, Sutan's request omurice. First, miso soup. Use whatever you have in the fridge. Today, daikon and leftover mushroom. Add water for 3 bowls. Cook the daikon first. Season with miso, tasting as you go. I also added radish leaves.
これね、お正月のお飾りだ。
なんでこう
馬年だから来年が
これは
幸せだろうねってことで、めでたいねって。お玄関のところに置いといて、あったところにね。
Pour into bowls. Done. Next, radish tuna salad. Slice the radish thinly. Finally, chop the tops too. Sprinkle with salt and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then squeeze out of water. Add mayonnaise, canned tuna, and umami yuzu and mix well. This works with any vegetable, carrots, corn, broccoli, anything. And kids love it. Finally, omurice. Cut leftover protein into bite-sized pieces. Saute onion and chicken in oil. add shrimp and cook through. 5 tablespoons ketchup to the center of the pan. Cooking it removes acidity and makes it gentle. Once reduced, add 3 tablespoons of umami sauce and mix well. Add rice and combine.
いい匂いする？何でしょうか、ご飯。
Are you sure?
あ
Oh, rice!
オムライス。
Thank you.
For the eggs, use 2 per person. Mix white and yolks well. Heat the pan and add plenty of oil, about 1.5 tablespoons. Make sure it's hot before adding eggs. Stir gently and adding air. When about 70% cooked, place the rice in the center and flip.
I
パパ食べるよ。
ただきます。
あ、お茶だけ。
すーちゃん1回しか泣かなかった。
ねえ。ありがとう。
何これ？食べた。
エビとチキンのオムライスってちょっと贅沢でしょ？
そう
そうぐ。
味くるでしょ？
味ぐめっちゃ美味しい。めっちゃ美味しいじゃん。これ上にさ、
オムライスにしてよかったでしょ？
したくてよかった晩ご飯。ないね。ないね。
これじゃない？
違うね。フライバイジンだ
どっちになるんだ？
ぶっちゃ
すごい部長。
違うね。ないね。
あ、そこ？
って何なの？
うわ、ちょっと売り切れ。売り切れじゃん。ちょっとすごい売り切れ。そんなことある？売り切れてるよ、スプラッツ。売り切れてるよ。マジ？そうだ。すごい。本当に？そんなことある？
スプラッツ最高。
スプラッツ最高。本当に？売り切れてるね。
うん。
これからもしかして。
これからか。ここに全部あったか。
マジ
Hi, this is Kimono. Mama!
Let's go.